Extender. It is Thursday after FOMC, the aftermath, after. Welcome everybody. If you're new here, go down to that bottom right hand corner, hit the Options Tender logo, and subscribe. All right, thanks for joining us. We're going to go through the game plan today. Real quick update on ES, going through multiple time frames, and we'll end it at that. So join us in the Option Guys free Discord, where we have a lot of camaraderie, talk about trading, trade setups, and all that good stuff. So that's down in the description. Let's go. Yes, on the monthly, we have a red, little tiny range, but we have a red candle now. I guess we're up here at the top of the channel. I don't really consider that resistance, but it is just a good guideline for us. So we may be a little bit extended. We have divergence on the RSI. MACD is starting to actually curl. This thing has been straight up for so long. So let's keep an eye on that. Let's go down to the weekly. Get the right board on here. All right, very good. We've had this long-term trend line. We breached that. We're holding the ADMA, so still, I haven't been proven guilty, but we're definitely showing some signs of weakness. Had a doji. We are now red on the week, and it is considered a engulfing candle at this point. So we'll see what happens, how we finish the week in the next 2 days. We are crossing over on the MACD. We have divergence. This may be playing out. It looks like we had a smaller divergence made from that brand new high as well. So we had this. I could have just extended that one, but a lot of times this last one just triggers it. So we have divergence here as well for the first time on the MACD. Going down to the daily. All right, daily trend is our friend. Let's see here. I'm going to probably have to draw another divergence on these as well. Okay, let's get in a little bit tighter. Here we go. We've made a brand new high, so these divergences are now extended here, and they're starting to play out from here to here. And if you don't know what a negative divergence or a bear divergence is, it's when you make a brand new high price-wise, but on your indicators, you do not make a new high. You actually make a lower high. We are at support, though, right at that 50. You see the support held pretty well. We have a nice little doji there. This could be just a dead cat bounce, but it also could be more. So, we have to watch price action and just see what's happening. But we're definitely playing this for the bounce. Just quick scalps. We are underneath the 20 and the ADMA, so we have to be real careful and just take our scalps very, very cautiously. All right, let's go down to the 65, see if we can figure out what's happening for at least the next 2 days, or at least today. Okay, so let's get in even closer. We're having a bull cross on the MACD, and you see the RSI coming back up. We're still in bearish territory. Really want to get in here. So we had our actually, I'll back out just a little bit. We had our FOMC day. We already started to head down when the day started from the night before, from Tuesday. Had an ABC down, and then a triangle here for the B, for the larger B, and then our 5-wave down for the C. So we had our A, B, C correction, and as long as that's a legit correction, then it looks like we may have another 5-wave up. Now, will we make another divergent high? Possibly. That might be in the game plan, and then maybe a much bigger drop after that. So we'll keep watching this each and every day. So make sure you press that notification, hit the bell, so we can keep you in the loop each and every day. All right, getting down to overnight, we have been scalping. It's been a beautiful thing. That's a great thing about when we get volatility like this. It does carry on in the evening. Usually the evening is super boring, and you really have to. You can't sit there and watch it. You have to just set your stops and let things go. But things move pretty quick. So we got some nice scalps in here from the bottom. And then actually we played for 5 points down, and we're in futures right now as well for this move up. We are at resistance, so we're gonna have to be careful. This could be an A, B, C before next move down, but you know, we'll see and monitor this right now. Hold on one second. All right, just had to check my position there for a second. Okay, for those of you who are in the Discord, or if you're here on Option Center just watching, I talk about 1-2-1-2 setup very often, and or just a 1-2 setup, and that's what we have here is a 1-2-1-2 setup. We have a from the bottom here a impulsive move up to resistance there, and then an ABC correction down, right about to the 61.8. Golden ratio, and then we did it again. I'll show you in a smaller time frame in just a second. Move up, and then wave 2, pull back down, ABC to the 61.8, and a nice move off of that. So we're now in a minor wave 3 of 3, and that should take us to when we put our extension. We put our extension from the bottom of wave 1 to the top of wave 1 to the bottom of wave 2. I know it's way out to the right, but the bottom of wave 2. And that gives us our Fibonacci extensions. Here's the 100% move, and then 161.8 move as well up here. And that's our target. We do have a resistance here as well, along with the downtrend line. So that's where we'll be looking to take it off. We'll be taking off a little bit early. Maybe this 50 moving average will be about that level as well. So we'll be looking to take off our position here, but we certainly have to get above this resistance at this point. Let's see what's happening at this. Let's go down to the 15, just so you can see that 1-2-1-2 a little bit better, and then we'll end it off there. So if you notice, we had our move, impulsive move up for wave 1. Our wave 2 is A, B, C. And then now we had a wave 1 and 2. And now working on wave 3. So this is valid unless we come back underneath the wave 4 here. If this is a wave 4 coming down, we cannot cross that wave 1. Cannot cross back over for that to be a valid wave count. So we'll keep an eye on this. If we come back underneath 42.01, we'll make that our stop, and then we'll get out of that position, and then we'll just monitor this and see what's going on at that point. Okay, so here we go. Good luck trading today. Join us in the Discord. All right, thanks for joining us here at Option Center. Have a great day.